Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. If you guys saw my community post on last night, you saw that I posted about Hobby Lobby and their 75% off home decor clearance sale. So I came into Hobby Lobby again today to see if I can find a second lantern like I did on last night, and I did. So I decided to go ahead and record some of the items that I saw so that I can show you guys to give you an idea of what may be available so that you can check your store to see what you may be able to find. Y'all, I literally went in. I have been wanting to get some of these glass jars for decor, and so I actually went in because I have a project that I am working on, an idea. So I think that these will be perfect, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the store and show you guys what I saw. The price tags were printed a little bit light, so I will be putting some of the prices up on the screen. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So as you guys can see, Hobby Lobby has some good stuff on clearance. I wouldn't say run, but definitely get to your nearest Hobby Lobby as soon as you can before everything gets picked over. So if you guys are new here, I want to introduce myself. My name is T, and on this channel, you'll be seeing clean with me videos. You also be seeing home improvement videos, home decor videos, shop with me videos, and any other type of video that I can think of that relates to my home. I will be posting it on this channel. So if that type of content interests you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post a brand new video. So if you guys are interested in doing something similar to what I did in my laundry room with the glass bottles and the detergent and fabric softener, this is a definite come up. I paid in between $3 and $6 for my bottles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it also gave you an idea of what you can look for at your store. I did not walk the entire store because it would have just taken me too long, but everything is not in one section. It is scattered all throughout the store. So make sure that you check each and every section that you're interested in when you go into your store. So that is all that I have for you guys in today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.